Okay, students, and today class blood clotting concept we are discussing. Okay, so when does we can face that one, the blood clotting? Yes, if you are get that one, the injury, or if you are completely get that one, trauma. Trauma means what? Severe damage. Severe damage of the body, we can call them as trauma. Either injury or trauma, our body or our blood is commonly exhibit that one, the clotting. Correct? But in this clotting time, one of the reddish brown colors is formation is occurs. So that is what we can call coagulum. It is also called them as coagulum. But the coagulum formation occurs by different type of the clotting factors are there. But in this one, how many different factors are there? 13 different factors are there. In these 13 different factors, okay, na? So first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th one are there, direct 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Idralli, so fibrinogens, prothrombin, thromboplastin, calcium ions are there. Okay, labile factor and stable factor. Next one, anti-hemophilic factor A anta karithi. Next one, Christmas factor, or it is also called plasma thromboplastin component. Plasma thromboplastin component, that is PTC. Next one, Stewart factor and plasma thromboplastin antecedent, that is PTA we can call, and Hodgman's factor and fibrin stabilizing factor. Okay, so totally out of 13 factors, okay, 6th factor not there, but it is not involved also, that's why they not put any name also. Okay, but in this one, but how to remember? How to remember means I can give the easy method, easy method for that one. Okay, so foolish people try to climb long slope after Christmas. Some people have fallen. Yes. This one is the easy method to remember for that one. Okay? You see now? Foolish people try to climb long slope. Try to climb long slope after Christmas. But some people have fallen. And don't ask that one what is the meaning of the sentence. But easily remembering, I am completely saying that one here. Foolish means what? Fibrinogen. Understood? The foolish F for what? Fibrinogens, and P for what? Which one? Prothrombin. Prothrombin. Next one, try to means what? Here T for what? Thromboplastin, or it is also called thrombokinase. Thromboplastin, or it is also called thrombokinase. And climb analysis is starting, that is called calcium ions, also play an important role in the blood clotting. So that is called fourth factor. Fourth factor and takshana calcium ions you have to remember. Okay, next one, fifth factor, that is called labile factor, that is called proaxillerin. Proaxillerin or labile factor, that is called long slope. Long slope andre L for labile factor, S for slope andre S for what? Stable factor. Clear? So that is called proaxillerin, and stable factor also having one more name also there. What is the name of the stable factor? Okay, so that is called proantecedin, I think. Yes. Clear? So proaxillerin, procovertin, that is called stable factor. Next one, after Christmas, in this one, A for what? Anti-hemophilic factor A. You already know hemophilia is the three types are there in the hemophilia. What is the major symptom of hemophilia?
Blood clotting.
Yes, okay, now continuous bleeding from injuries, correct, without clotting. That's why hemophilia, another name is bleeder's disease. Correct? It is also called what? Bleeder's disease. Continuous bleeding is occurs from the injured part. Why? Because they have the absence of some of the clotting factor. Some of the clotting factors are absent in that people. That's why there is no proper clotting of the blood takes place. Why? Because blood clotting is one of the cascade process. Blood clotting is one of the which process? Cascade process. Cascade means what? Is a chain type of process. But in this chain type of process, so many factors are involving. But one factor can activate the other factor, and that factor is activate the another factor, like that one. But in this one, any one of the factor is absent means there is no clotting of the blood. There is no clotting of the blood. Adike, blood clotting is a which process? Cascade process. Cascade means what? It is a chain of reactions. It is a chain of reactions. Each chain of reactions, come on, which one is involved? Clotting factors, correct? Clotting factors are involved, that one. But in this chain reaction, one substrate or one component absent idre, and that chain reaction not occurs properly. That's why there is no clotting of the blood. Adike, those are suffering from hemophilia A. A person's come on, which clotting factor is absent? Eighth. Okay, now that is called anti-hemophilic factor A is commonly absent in that person. The clotting factor 8 is absent. That one you have to remember. What is the clotting factor 8? That is called anti-hemophilic factor. Understood, students? Okay, no? Okay, next one. Christmas. Christmas is also called Christmas factor. Yake sir idu Christmas factor anta hesaru ittidru? Why not Dasara factor anta ittidru anta neevu kidbodu. But idu obba person name ra. Stephen Christmas ra. His name is Stephen Christmas, and his body nalli and E factor ni first identify madidru. Adike avare hesaru ittidru. That is about the Christmas factor. Clear? So Christmas factor ge one more name inda, that is called plasma thromboplastin component. Plasma thromboplastin component. That is shortcutly what we can call PTC. Okay? Again, next one. Some people have fallen anta kottidra. Idralli some means what? Stewart factor anta kottidra. Next one. People under enda, what is the name? Plasma thromboplastin antecedent idu. Okay? Idu plasma thromboplastin component idu. Idu antecedent. Idu PTC, idu PTA. Okay, last one. Have fallen. Have means what? Haji. Devoji. Haji factor, that is called the mass. Okay, no? Have andre Haji. Haji means factor. And the last one is fallen means what? Fibrin stabilizing factor. Fibrin stabilizing factor. These are about the different 13 factors for easily remembering. Okay, no? So that is about the foolish people try to climb long slope after Christmas. Some people have fallen. That. But our first word, if you remember that, but 2 or 3 times, if you read this one, means automatically you can remember without any confusion. Okay, na? Sometimes maybe in the mass of falling also, maybe they can ask the questions. One side clotting factor, one side the name of that clotting factors. Okay, na? Easy method. Okay. And one more important thing. Okay, those are suffering from hemophilia A. Okay, na? In that persons, and which factor is absent? That is 8 factor is absent. But along with the hemophilia A, hemophilia B also there. Hemophilia B persons are commonly suffering from which one? Clotting factor 9. So Christmas factor now, okay, it is also called as anti-hemophilic factor B antenu karbodu. Why? Because if anybody not have that one, the ninth factor if it is absent, okay, such persons are suffering from hemophilia B. Hemophilia repeat. So hemophilia A, hemophilia B, hemophilia C nalli, which one is? Okay, which one is majority of the people are suffering, you know? Hemophilia B. Hemophilia B is a major suffering disease anta helbodu. Hemophilia B yavaga baruttandre because of the absence of the which one? 9, factor 9. Again, next factor 11. Factor 11 we are also called plasma thromboplastin antecedent. If these factor is absent means they can suffer from hemophilia C. Hemophilia C. Okay, na? So that's why 8, 9, 11. 8, 9, 11. These 3 one you can remember, students. So hemophilia A nalli 8th factor is absent. Hemophilia B nalli which factor is absent? 9th factor. And hemophilia C nalli, come on, which factor is absent? 11th factor is absent. Okay, students? Okay. So totally blood clotting is one of the cascade process because it's a chain-like reactions are occurs. Chain-like reactions are commonly controlled by different type of the which one? Clotting factors. Okay, now we are discussing about how does the blood clotting is takes place. Let us we have to discuss. Got it? Okay. Okay. Next, the mechanism of clotting. Now, mechanism of the clotting. Mechanism of clotting. mechanism of clotting. Mechanism of clotting. Okay, ಈ mechanism of clotting, it is occurs in the mainly by three ways. Three ways nalli mechanism of clotting is occurs. The first of all is called vasoconstriction. Vasoconstriction, and the second one is called formation of, okay, so that is called as platelet plug. Formation of the platelet plug, and next one, formation of web of fibrin. Formation of web of fibrin. This is about the three stages are there in the blood clotting process. Okay, so blood clotting, you see, this is about the one of the blood vessel. Suppose this is about the one person hand at the tilkuda. This is about. Yes, ಮತ್ತೆ more than 4 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪಿಶಾಚಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ one injury. Okay, na? That part I am complete drawing, elaborate. So now this is about the first of all blood vessel. This is about the blood vessel. ಈ blood vessel ನಲ್ಲಿ what is occurs now? That is called the mass damage is occurs. When the damage is occurs, what will be happened? Okay, now bleeding is occurs. Why? Because inside the blood vessel to money, okay, blood is present. Means what? That is called RBC, WBC, all are completely present. If the leakage occurs, or if the blood vessel wall damaged is occurs, automatically the blood is leakaged from this one. This is called the mass bleeding anta karita. Bleeding is occurs. So immediately when the bleeding is occurs from any injured part, immediately what is occurs means vasoconstriction is occurs. Vasoconstriction andre automatically where does the bleeding is occurs, automatically the blood vessels wall become contract. Blood vessel wall become contract like this one. How this contraction is occurs means, you see, where does it is occurs, automatically they become contract like this. This is one is called, this is called vasoconstriction anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. Vasoconstriction. Okay, so this is called vasoconstriction. Same here also, blood is completely bleeding is occurs, immediately vasoconstriction. This is called vasoconstriction. After the vasoconstriction, what is the result will be happen? Let us we have to discuss. Second one, formation of the platelet plug. Platelets, you already know, in our blood platelets also present, and these platelets they can release some factors or some chemicals. That chemicals are, it will be helpful for gluing of one platelet with another platelet. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಲೆಟ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೂ ತರಹ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, one platelet, another platelet, both are completely joined with each other and they will form a one plug like structure. That one is what we can call platelet plug anta karitare. This is called as platelet plug. I observe that one. Suppose when you are filling that one bag, but we didn't see that one side hole is there, but we are filling, but it's not filling properly. ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ? ಓಕೆನಾ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್, ಐದರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ or we have to put that one any hard parts we have to keep inside that one, correct? Same phenomenon is also occurs when the bleeding is occur from our body or blood vessels. Okay, now formation of the platelet plug. Platelet plug, how they can formation means all the platelets are will be joined with or glued with each other, they will form a plug like structure. After that, formation of the web of the fibrin. Web means what? Network like or net like which one is formed now? Fibrins formation is occurs. So fibrins, see, fibrins are formed from fibrinogen, correct? Fibrinogen, already I said, plasma proteins. 3 type of plasma proteins are there, name out: albumins, globulins and fibrinogen. But fibrinogens are inactive stage nalli idappa. Ee inactive fibrinogens henge convert aguttarappa, fibrin ge convert agi ee fibrins they will form. Fibrin is nothing but it's a looks like a thread like structure. E thread like structures they will completely form like this. they will form a web or one of the net like structure in the injured part. That is when what we can call web of fibrin anta karira. ಈ web of the fibrin, it is also completely trapped that one dead and damaged formal elements. Dead and damaged formal elements also will be trapped here. Dead and damaged formal elements also will be trapped there. Then the stoppage of the bleeding is occurs. Clear? This phenomenon is commonly takes 2 to 3 minutes time it takes that one the bleeding or stoppage of the bleeding. Okay? So this is about, okay, once again the mechanism of the clotting nalli first vasoconstriction is occurs, understood, where the bleeding is occurs, immediately the blood vessel wall will be completely contracted, that one that is called vasoconstriction. After the vasoconstriction, which one, the platelet plug formation is occur, then which one, web of the fibrin is also occurs. But if okay, now what are this phenomenon is occurs, in the meantime some other process also occurs. Let us, we have to discuss, okay, mechanism of the bleeding or mechanism of the clotting nalli, and we can discuss about two types of pathways are there. Is there sometimes severe injuries are occurs, sometimes light injuries are occurs. But severe injuries time nalli one type of blood clotting method we can observe, and light injuries nalli one type of method of the, okay, so clotting is occurs. Let us, we have to discuss about first of all, that is extrinsic pathway. Extrinsic pathway now we are discussing. It is also one of the mechanism of blood clotting. Next one is called intrinsic pathway. Intrinsic pathway. Okay, ins are extrinsic pathway. What is meant by intrinsic pathway? The extrinsic pathway occurs severe damage of vascular tissue, andrenda blood vessels, vascular tissue, if they will undergo severe damage, and extrinsic pathways occurs. But the intrinsic pathway, when it occurs, okay, yes, normal damage or little damage of blood capillaries, and the intrinsic pathways occurs. But severe damage, if it is occurs, what will be happen means it stimulates the factor 7. This is very important. Factor stimulate madutte. Next one, intrinsic pathway nalli it will be stimulate that one. So factor 12, okay, now that is called the as factor 12. This is very important for your NEET examination, students. Intrinsic pathway, extrinsic pathway, you should remember. Direct questions may ask. Intrinsic pathway nalli factor 12 will be activate that, but in the extrinsic pathway factor 7 will be activate that one. Next, matte factor 7 it will be again stimulate, that is called the mass, okay, 4, 5 and 10. 4, 5, 10 factors ni stimulate madutte. Matte ee 3 factors it will be stimulating that one thromboplastin. It will be stimulate that one, the thromboplastin. Same here also, okay, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 10 and 12 also. It will be also stimulates. It is also stimulates. Okay, so mainly platelet thromboplastin in the presence of calcium ions. Is tissue thromboplastin. Thromboplastin we can also call thrombokinase anta karitara. Thromboplastin is also called thrombokinase. This thromboplastin can converting the prothrombin. It is secreted by liver. Prothrombin ni thrombin ge convert madutte. So prothrombin is a inactive protein and thrombin is a active protein. It is a active protein, students. Next, thrombin. Thrombin, it will be converting the fibrinogens. It will be converting the fibrinogen into which one? The fibrins. But idರಲ್ಲಿ which one is soluble? Yes. And which one is insoluble? That is called, yes, insoluble that. These fibrins say they will form a net-like structure in the injured region. They form that one the scum. So this one is forms that one the scum, or it is formed that one the coagulum, or it is also called thrombus ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕರೀತೀರಾ? coagulumನೇ ನಾವು thrombus ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕರೀತೀರಾ? Thrombus. But in your textbook only this phenomenon only they are given. In your NCERT textbook they are given this phenomenon only. But ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ some other phenomenon also there, but you should remember. We can expect it. One question also may expect in this concept also. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ dear students, ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು I'm giving separately that one. Yes. Again, I'm completely explaining. Listen carefully. Okay. Injuries or trauma, it is occur in the different way. Sometimes injuries are occurs very severe damage. Severe damage. That's why up to little depth of the meat our skin will be completely damaged ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಪಾತ್ವೇ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರಪ್ಚರಿಂಗ್, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಲರೀಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಲರೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಕ್ ಪಾತ್ವೇ. ಬಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಪಾತ್ವೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. Because extrinsic pathway timenally it is stimulate that one the factor 7, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ factor 12. This is very very important. Matte factor 7 is stimulating that one 3 more factors. So what are the name? 4, 5, 10. 4, 5, 10 both in these 3 one they can stimulate that. But here 5 different type of factors they can stimulate that one 4, 5, 9, 10, 12. Like that all factors, mainly 5 factors stimulate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. But E factors again they can stimulate that one the platelet thromboplastin. You already know platelets. Platelets also produce that one the thromboplastin. Thromboplastin is also called thrombokinase. So these 5 factors are stimulate that one the platelets to produce that one the thrombokinase. E thrombokinase, same here also, even tissue also, where does damaging occur? Damaged tissue also can secrete one more thromboplastin. What is the name of that thromboplastin? Tissue thromboplastin. And there are 2 types of the thromboplastin we can observe in our body. The first one is called platelet thromboplastin and second one is called tissue thromboplastin. Correct? So either in this method also thrombokinase production is occurs, or by extrinsic pathway also thrombokinase production is occurs. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಐದರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಲರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಥ್ರಾಂಬೋಕೈನೇಸ್, ಐದರ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರಾಂಬೋಕೈನೇಸ್. ಥ್ರಾಂಬೋಕೈನೇಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೋಥ್ರಾಂಬಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಥ್ರಾಂಬಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ ಲಿವರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅವರ್ ಲಿವರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಥ್ರಾಂಬಿನ್. Liver is produce the prothrombin, but these prothrombins are inactive in the plasma. Inactive stage in the plasma, and who will activate into thrombin? Thrombokinase only. Correct? So thrombokinase, it will be converting the prothrombin into thrombin. Matte E thrombin, what are the fibrinogens are there? What are the fibrinogens are there in the blood plasma? They will convert into which one? No, fibrins. I already said fibrins are looks like a thread-like structures. Fibrins are looks like a thread-like structures. Okay, now like this one here, thread-like structures are formed. E thread-like structures. Thread-like structures, plus it will be also trap that one the dead and damaged formed elements also. Come on, which one is the formed elements in our blood? RBC is there, WBC is there. Correct? Mainly dead and damaged RBC, dead and damaged WBC ni trap ಮಾಡಿ they will form a one mesh-like structure. Mesh-like structure they will form. ಈಗ mesh formation ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ bleeding can be stopped. Clear? This is called as mechanism of the bleeding, or mechanism of the blood clotting, not bleeding. So mechanism of the blood clotting this. Okay students, this is about the pathway. Okay, so today night you can learn about that one, the different factors, what are the factors are involved in the blood clotting. Okay, you should learn once, and tomorrow morning also you have to revise this, otherwise you can't remember these things. Okay, na? Again you want to repeat? No. Okay, next, can I go next one? Yes, Adira, lymph. Okay, next one is we can go for lymph. Lymph. Next, what are the other names of the lymph? Yes, two other names are there. Very good. Tissue fluid, or it is also called interstitial fluid. Interstitial fluid. Interstitial fluid. Very, very important. Lymph. But what is lymph? What is lymph? Lymph is a colorless fluid. It is a colorless, viscous-like fluid. Viscous-like fluid. It contains all plasma components. It contains all plasma components. All plasma components. Plasma components, all blood plasma components also present. Okay, but simple, if you want to explain what is lymph, lymph is equal to blood minus which one? Yes, RBC plus platelets. Platelets are also not present. Minus, sorry, plus and macro proteins. Macro proteins. You see, plasma proteins. So all plasma components are there, but all plasma components andre albumins is there, globulins also there. You know, plasma. How much percent of water is there in the plasma? 95%. Yes. How much percentage? 92% of water only is there. Plus 68% of which one is there? Proteins are there. But here also same, water is present and proteins also present, but proteins number is less compared to blood plasma. But how the lymph formation is occurs? Let us we have to discuss. Lymph, how does it formation is takes place? Let us we have to discuss lymph formation. Okay? Yes, I can with the help of diagram I can explain. You see, this is called them as artery. Artery. Do you know artery is divided into branches? What is the name of these arteries? That is called arterioles. Arteriole also end with that one. Matte capillaries. What is the name of this one? Artery capillaries. Something like that. Artery, arteriole and artery capillaries. Where does artery capillaries are completely end? There itself only. Come on, which capillaries will be start? Vein capillary will be start. Correct? So this is about the vein capillaries. Vein capillaries. All vein capillaries are together, they will form venules. All venules are together, they can form that one. The which one are? Veins. Okay, now? So this is about the vein capillaries. Vein capillaries are fused together, form venules. Venules are fused together, form which one are? Veins. Got the clarity, students? Okay, now? So this is called artery, and what is the name of this one now? Veins. Come on, whose lumen is narrow? Arteries or veins? Arteries lumen is narrow. Why? Because they are having that one very thickness of the blood vessel wall. Wall is more thickness. You know, 3 layers are present around the arteries and veins. Which layers? What is the name? Tunica, externa, tunica, media, tunica, intima or interna. In these 3 layers, come on, which layer is more thick in this arteries wall? Tunica, media is more thickness. That's why lumen is narrow. Where does lumen is more or wide lumen is present? Veins, correct? Veins lumen is completely wide is there. Wide lumen is present in the veins. So now, when the blood is passes through arteries, what will be happen, students? Okay, but less pressure is present or more blood pressure is present? More pressure is present or less pressure is present in the arteries? More pressure is present. Why? More pressure, why we can observe in the arteries? Because of the narrow lumen, correct? Because of the narrow lumen, blood is more forcefully they can move in. That's why they are having more hydrostatic pressure. Correct? So more hydrostatic pressure. Even normal arteries only having more blood pressure means automatically in the capillaries are having more blood pressure. Due to this pressure, what is happened? Some of the plasma components will be leaked from that one, the blood capillaries like this. Some of the water components, andre plasma components anta helbodra. Some of the plasma components are leaked from the blood capillaries and they are entered into the interstitial fluid or in between the cells. Which one is leaked from the blood capillaries? Plasma components, correct? Blood plasma components will be leaked from that one, okay? So artery capillaries and it is enter in between the cells. In between the cells under nothing but which one? This is also called interstitial fluid or interstitial space. Now interstitial space, come on, which one is entered? Which one is entered? Interstitial fluid? Yes, plasma components are entered. All plasma components are entered. Andre, a plasma nalli, what are the components are present means, come on, which components are absent in that one? RBC not present, platelets also not present and macroproteins also not present. Macro andre large sized proteins also not present in that one, okay? Adu bittu mikkidella andre WBC also leaked from that one, the blood capillary. WBC also leaked from the blood capillaries anta helbodu. Understood? Electrolytes also leaked from the blood capillaries. Plus watery component also leaked from the blood capillaries. That one what we can call lymph anta karitara. That is what we can call lymph. Adike aa lymph ge no color, specific color anta enilla. Because it is nothing but okay, elevation or complete removal of the lymph only from the blood capillaries. Okay? Come on, who is collecting these lymph from the tissues? Come on, tissue in the, who is collecting that one, the lymph? Yes, that is what is the name of that one? Lymph capillaries. Correct? Lymph capillaries. What is the name of the lymph capillaries? No? Lacteal anta hesaride. Now digestion already odkondidivi. Lacteals are collecting that one, the lymph. So now the lymph is enter into that one, the lymph capillaries. Understood? So what are the components of the lymph? Lymph is contain all plasma components along with the plasma components, and which one also present? WBC also present. But WBC is more amount or less amount? Less amount is present. Mainly WBC nalli, come on, lymph nalli, which WBC cells are present? Lymphocytes present in more amount. Lymphocytes present in more amount in the blood, in the lymph. Okay, now these lymph capillaries all are fused together and what they will form? It will be fused together and what they will form? Lymph vessels will form. Lymph vessels. And lymph vessels more are completely fused to form. Which one? Lymph duct is formed. Lymph duct. E lymph duct, they will collected lymph, again they will drain into that one, the large vein. Vein they can shift that one, these. Okay, na? They are completely transferred that one, the plasma into that one, the veins only. Arthaita students, how the lymph formation is occurs? Are you observe that one? Lymph formation is occurs where the arteries are end with the capillaries. There itself only lymph formation is occur. But who is collected the lymph? Lymph capillaries. Lymph capillaries all are fused together. What they will form? Lymph vessels. Lymph vessels are all are fused to form which one? Lymph duct. In lymph duct all are completely again they have to drain, or it will be joined with whom? Major vein. It is joined with the major vein. Major vein, that is called superior vena cava. It is completely open into the superior vena cava. This is very important, students. Got the clarity, students? This is called lymph. Okay, na? So lymph is commonly passes through that one, the lymph vessels. Do you know lymph vessels, blood vessels both are parallel with each other in our body. Lymph vessels, blood vessels both are parallel to in our body. But lymph vessels are carries that one, which one? The blood they can carry that one, and lymph vessels are carrying that one, the lymph, blood vessels are carrying. Okay, again the lymph vessels or lymph duct is again they can join in the which part? Major vein, they can attach that. Major vein. But idrulira mainly ಮೇಜರ್ ವೇನ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಪೊಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಕ್ಲಾವಿಯನ್ ವೇನ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಕ್ಲಾವಿಯನ್ ವೇನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಬ್ಕ್ಲಾವಿಯನ್ ವೇನ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಕ್ಲಾವಿಯನ್ ವೇನ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸಬ್ಕ್ಲಾವಿಯನ್ ವೇನ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಬೋತ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ವೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪೊಂದ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ವೆನಕವ. ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ವೆನಕವಾಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ವೆನಕವ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. So vein capillaries are there, lymph capillaries are there, lymph capillaries are completely fused, joined with the lymph vessel, lymph vessels are joined with which one? Lymph duct. The lymph duct are completely open into which one? Left subclavian and right subclavian. Artha aita? Okay, so that is the left subclavian vein and right subclavian vein both are completely open into the which one? Superior vena cava. But idu vein ra. ಇದು ವೇನೆ, ಇದು ವೇನೆ. But lymph duct are directly open into the superior vena cava. First they can open into the which one? Left and right sub. Clear students? This is the complete concept of the lymph. Matte what is the functions of lymph? ಏನು functions of lymph? What are the functions of the lymph? Okay, first function in it is helpful for transport of what? Gases. Transport of the gases from which one? Oxygen and carbon dioxide, and transport of which one? Nutrients, and transport of which one? Hormones also. Even they are completely give that one, okay na? So hormones also can be transported through this only. What about the second one? Okay na? Yes, lymphocytes are present, in the lymph. That's why it is completely give that one the which response? Immune response. Immune response. The third one is, what about the third one? That is about very very important. Lacteals anta helkottide nane. Lacteals andre which capillaries? Lymph capillaries. What is the function of the lymph capillaries? Very good. Fat absorption. Correct. Fat absorptionally it is very helpful that. Fat absorption. Remember students, we are already discussing the digestion and absorption. After the digestion of the fat, it will be converted into fatty acids and glycerols. But fatty acids and glycerols are soluble or insoluble? Insoluble. That's why they are not directly enter into the blood. They are not directly enter into the blood. That's why first they are enter into the mucosa. And one more thing, these fatty acids and glycerols we can call micellus. Why? Because it is a small droplets of the fats. What we can call? Micellus. So micellus is where they are entered? Mucosa. When they are enter into the mucosa of the alimentary canal, one of the protein layer formation is occurs. Very good. Andre, after the formation of the protein layer, that micellus is what we can call chylomicrons. These chylomicrons now, come on, who will permit to entry? Lymph capillaries are permit only, but still they are not. Which one is not permit? Blood vessels are not permit. Okay, now only lymph capillaries only permit that one, the entry of the chylomicrons into the lymph capillaries. Matte lymph capillaries are joined to form the which one? Lymph vessels, matte lymphatic duct, and these lymphatic duct are completely joined with which one? Veins. Andre, then only the fats are enter into that one, the blood. Andre, artery ge directly fatty acids and glycerols never entered. Ellige enter agutappa? Fatty acids and glycerols are enter into the veins only. Veins only they can enter. Okay students, idura totally it is helpful for transport of the gases, transport of the nutrients, and transport of the hormones also. And lymphocytes are present, more number of the lymphocytes are present in the lymph. It is completely helpful for immune response. Secondary, through the water, through the air, through the food, so many microbes or bacteria or viruses enter into our blood. Suppose if they will enter into that from the plasma ಗೆ enter ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ ಈ ಥರ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಂಫಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಲಿಂಫೇಜ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ವೈರಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. And next, already lymphocytes already present in this one lymph vessels, and totally they can cause that one the immune response. Right? And what is the function of the lacteals? Lacteals are helpful for which absorption? Fat absorption. Okay students, So lymph formation is occurs mainly where the blood capillaries are occurs, there itself only lymph formation is occurs. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲಿಂಫ್ನೇ ಲಿಂಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಲರೀಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವೇನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದೇ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ವೇನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಆರ್ಟರೀಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟು ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ವೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. You know what is the difference between the arteries and veins? Yes, okay na. Adhe difference alla. Generally, what is the meaning of artery and vein? What is the meaning of artery and vein andre? So arteries are carrying the blood away from the heart. Carrying the blood from away from the heart. You always remember, always arteries are start with the heart only. Always arteries are start with the heart only. Heart indane start aguttara arteries. Clear? And they are taking the blood away from the heart. And who is bring that one the blood towards that one the heart? Veins. But veins where they will start? Veins always start from tissues. Tissues indane vein start agutte tilkoli. Tissues in the vein start agutte. Heart in the yaar start aguttarpa? Arteries start agutte. ಇದು important. ಇದು very very important concept for arteries and veins. Okay na? So this is complete. Again, you want to repeat? Yes. Okay. You already know what is the plasma components. Plasma components. What are the plasma components? Plasma components are equal to which components? Sorry, lymph is commonly equal to which components? Plasma components. But plasma nalli water is there. Plasma nalli proteins are there. Plasma nalli which one also there? Electrolytes are there. Minerals also present. But idralli less number is present. Even plasma proteins are there, plasma proteins also less number. Mainly fibrinogens and fibrinogens are very less amount. Fibrinogens are very less amount in the lymph. This point is very important, students. Fibrinogens are very less amount. Irutte, but less amount. Even albumins, globulins also. Albumins, globulins also. But not much amount of. Much amount is not present in the lymph. Normal amount or below normal amount only it is present. Clear? Okay, next, after the lymph. After the lymph, where we have to go? We have to go for Prajwal money? No. Okay? Okay? Bye. They are not called us. Okay? Break. That one, I can give one more time. So first already you know, lacteals. Here, all lacteals are fused together. Which one is formed? Lymph vessels. All lymph vessels are completely formed. That one, which one are? Lymph ducts. Clear? But one more similarity is there between that one, the lymph vessels and the veins. What is the similarity? Means lymph vessels are contain the duct walls, and veins also contain walls. Do you know the walls? Walls, V-A-L-V-S, okay now, that is about the walls are commonly present, okay now, this is about the walls now. But compared to the veins and lymph vessels are having more walls are present, walls number is more, that is important. Okay, next one, all lymph vessels are completely joined to form which one? Lymph ducts. Lymph duct nalli two types of lymph duct is there. Two types of lymph duct is there, that is called the as superior lymphoid duct anta karitira. Superior lymphoid duct. Second one is called the as inferior abdominal duct anta karitira. Okay, inferior abdominal duct. Is superior lymphoid duct is collecting the lymph from where? From anterior parts. Anterior parts andre enda? That is upper parts. It is collect the lymph from posterior parts. Posterior parts they can collect the blood. Students, totally all lymph ducts are completely two different types are there, that is called superior lymphoid duct and inferior lymphoid duct. Superior lymphoid duct is collecting the lymph from upper part, like head, neck and shoulder region and upper arms in that they can collecting that one the lymph. Next one more is there, inferior abdominal duct. It is also collecting that one the total lymph from the lower part or posterior parts. And these superior and inferior, this one is completely open into, superior is open into the right subclavian vein. Right subclavian vein, it is completely open into, and it is left subclavian vein now. Left subclavian vein, and both are completely open into the which one? The superior vena cava. Superior vena cava, they both are completely open. This one may ask. Okay, next one, lymph nodes. And the last one is called them as lymph glands. Lymph nodes and lymph glands. So lymph nodes andre nothing but, you see, this about the lymph vessel. At certain places, in certain places, lymph nodes are commonly present. This is lymph nodes. In lymph nodes nalli, they are giving the shelter of the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes is commonly present. Okay, so this is lymph vessel. At certain places, little swelling is occurs, that is called lymph nodes. Okay, lymph nodes are present entire our body surface. Lymph nodes are present. Lymph nodes are present. Okay, so this is lymph vessel. This is called lymph nodes. Okay, last one is called lymph glands. The lymph glands already we discussed in the human health and diseases. Two types of the lymphatic glands are present. Speak out what are the two types of lymphatic glands? Primary and secondary lymphatic. What is meant by primary lymphoid organs? Where the lymphocytes origin and maturation both are takes place, such lymphoid organs what we can call? Primary. Okay, example for primary lymphoid organ? Bone marrow and thymus gland. Secondary lymphoid organ meaning? Yes, it is providing the site for interaction between lymphocytes and antigens. Lymphocytes and antigens. Best example? Spleen. Second, Peyer's patches of small intestine. Third, tonsils. Tonsils also best example. And fourth one in the appendix also. And fifth one, malt. MALT, malt. Mucosa associated lymphoid. Five secondary lymphoid organs are there. Once again repeat. Tonsils, spleen, Peyer's patches, appendix, and last one, malt. About 50% of the total lymphoid tissue, correct? 50% of the total lymphoid tissue is commonly consist of which one? Malt. Which one is called abdominal tonsil? Appendix, correct? And tonsils are generally where it is present. It is present around the pharynx. Around the pharynx. Okay, one of the ring tara irithara. What is the name of that ring? Like lymphoid. Yes, that is called which ring? Waldeyer's ring. In Waldeyer's rings, there are 4 different type of tonsils are there. Can you speak out first? First one, bottom nalli, which one is there? Bottom means what? Near to this region. That is called the as lingual. Lingual tonsils are there. Above the lingual tonsils. Near to the lingual tonsils, which one is there? That is called palate tonsils. Near to palate tonsils, which one is there? Tubal tonsils are present. Tubal tonsils in there, which one is present? Pharyngeal tonsils. Correct? It will be completely present around that one, the pharynx region. Pharynx region surrounding agirite. This ring is Waldeyer's ring. Waldeyer's rings. Dear students, secondary lymphoid organs. Where does spleen is situated? Where does spleen is situated? It is situated in the thorax or abdomen? Abdomen region. Upper left region or upper right region? Upper left region. Correct? Upper left region only. And it is situated. What is the shape of the spleen? Bean shaped gland. Bean shaped gland, that is called spleen. Do you know spleen is called reservoir of RBC? Reservoir of the RBC and graveyard of RBC. Gotara, one and only one gland. Only arteries matra supply irutte, vein supply iralla. Andre always oxygenated blood supply matra irutte. Yavudike andre spleen gara. Very, very important. Spleen is having always artery supply only, means what? Oxygenated blood supply only present to the spleen glands. That's why it is the reservoir of the RBC, reservoir of the RBC plus graveyard of the RBC also. This is we can call. Idra lymph glands. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಿಂಫ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಲಿಂಫ್ ಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್. Superior lymphoid duct are completely collecting the lymph from anterior parts, and inferior abdominal duct is completely collecting the lymph from lower. Okay, both are completely open into, one is open into the right subclavian vein, another is open into left subclavian, and both are completely joined together. They will open into which one region? No? Both are together, they can open into superior vena cava. Correct? That's why both lymphatic duct are not directly open into that one, the vena cava. First they can open into the right and left subclavian veins silkily. Next one, circulatory pathways. Let us circulatory pathways. In the living organism, two types of circulatory pathways are there. Can you speak out what are the two types of circulatory pathway? Open. Okay. Second one in closed. Closed type of circulation and open type of circulation. Come on. In which circulation method blood pressure is very low? Very important. Open circulatory method nalli blood pressure is low. Why? Because blood is passes through which cavity? Body cavity, because there is no blood vessels. Best example, what is the best example for open circulatory system? Arthropods. Yes or no? Arthropods, or it is also cockroach is the best example. Remember, suppose if you are cockroach anatomy, when we can observe that one. Here the body is divided into different type of cavities like this. At one side view idu. Okay, this body cavity ge ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? Sinus ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. Here also sinus, here also sinus. Body cavity is divided into different chambers like this. Correct? So now heart is present here. Okay, na? This is about the heart is present. This heart is pump that one the blood through one of the vessel in the blood will be prime. And these vessel in the blood will be open into the body cavities. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅಗೈನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಚ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Tissues are completely bathed in the blood only. Correct? Always they are bathing. Why? Because there is no blood capillaries, there is no blood vessels also there. Clear? Okay na? So that's why open circulatory system nalira no blood vessels are there, and no capillaries also there. Capillaries and blood vessels are not present. Okay? The blood is passes through. Blood is completely passed through. Which one da? Passed through. Which one da? Body cavity. So body cavity in the name, blood is completely moved. What is the other name of body cavity? Sinus. Anta karitara. Sinus in the name. Okay, now it will be completely moving that one. That's why the tissues are bathed in it. Anta helbodra. Tissues are bathed in it. Bathed in it. That is called open circulatory system. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರೀಸ್, ನೋ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಂಪ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆಸಲ್. ದಟ್ ವೆಸಲ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೈನಸ್. ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿಯಿಂದನೇ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಷ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರೀಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಲರೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ವೆರಿ ಲೆಸ್, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್. Clear? So But in cockroach or arthropods ನಲ್ಲಿ colorless blood is present. Can you speak out what the name of that colorless blood? Hemolymph ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. That is called hemolymph. Very very important. Hemolymph. It is a colorless blood. It does not contain RBC. Correct? It does not contain any RBC. Okay? Such blood is called hemolymph. It is a colorless blood. We can observe mainly in the arthropods. Okay, next one, our closed circulatory system. Come on, our closed circulatory system where we can observe? We can observe in chordates. Chordates nalli we can observe that one. Chordates. Chordates nalli even including yes, okay na, chordates, even annelidans also. Very very important. Annelidans. Annelidans. Okay? Annelidans. And one more important thing, open circulatory system, arthropods are example, molluscans also example. Molluscans, even hemichordates also. Hemichordata. No. Sponge is not having any circulatory system. Okay? Yes, water canal system only present. Okay? So molluscans and hemichordates. Arthropod, molluscans and hemichordates is having the open circulatory system, but closed circulatory system is present. All chordates, including human beings. Why? Because what is meant by closed circulatory system now? Here the blood is passed by, or blood is completely pumped by heart. Correct? Pumped by heart, but our blood is passes through which one? Different diameter of the blood vessels. Correct? Different diameter of the blood vessels. So blood vessels in the blood circulate aitandre ಅದು closed. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಇಂದನೇ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. In the beginning of animal kingdom already I think you read this concept. Got the different students? Mainly for your NEET examination. Okay na? They can give either in the direct questions, either they can give, or they can give in the statement level questions also. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ರಾಂಗಾ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you should know the concept. Okay? Again next. We can go for that one, the circulatory pathways in chordates. Matte chordate nalli how many different type of circulatory pathways are there? 3 types. 3 types of circulatory pathways are there. The first one is called single circulation. Second one, incomplete double circulation. And the last one is called, yes, complete double circulation, or it is also called double circulation. This one also, from this one also we are expecting one question. Single circulation we can observe in which one? Fishes. Because fishes only how many chamber heart is present? 2 chamber heart is present. Why sir single circulation we can observe in the fishes? Means I can explain with the help of the one of the small diagram. Single circulation, you see, this is about the 2 chamber heart is present in the heart, or in the structure of the fishes. Fishes heart is consist of the 2 chamber like this one. One artery is present. Okay, means what? One auricle is present, or one ventricle only present. Idರಲ್ಲಿ always you know arteries are collecting the which blood from the body part? Which blood? Deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood they can collecting. Arthaita, this is about the from body parts in the, okay na, arteries are collecting the deoxygenated blood. Next, from the auricle, come on, deoxygenated blood is completely supplied to which one? Ventricle. From the ventricle, the deoxygenated blood now it will be transferred to which one? Gills. It will be transferred to that one, the gills. This is about the gills. For what? For oxygenation. Correct? For the oxygenation. You already know. Gills are the respiratory organs. Of the which one? The fishes. That's why deoxygenated blood is become oxygenated blood because of breathing is occurs. Okay. Next, after the oxygenation, now that blood is collected by which one? Which one is collecting that one? Arteries. Okay. These arteries they are completely supply the blood to the directly to the body parts like this. Oxygenated blood is there here. Oxygenated blood again they directly supply to that one the Body parts only. Again, oxygenated blood never go to that one, the heart. Never go to the heart, directly to the body parts only. Clear? Clear? So always which blood only enter into the heart of the fishes? Which blood only heart? Deoxygenated blood. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಶಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ನಿ ವೀನಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೇನು ಕರಿಬೋದ್ರಾ? ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೀನಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಹೃದಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಾ? ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಹೃದಯ. ವೀನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿಜನೇಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ನಿ ವೀನಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ನಿ we can call them as, andre always deoxygenated blood only present. We can't see that one, the oxygenated blood in the heart of the fishes. That's why we can call them as venous heart anta karitivi. Idunu nenpitkolli students for your competitive exams. Artha? Okay, only one time only circulation is occurs. So you see, only one time circulation, not double, because the only two chamber heart is present. It is one of the major reason. Plus always which blood is we can observe? Deoxygenated blood. Once the deoxygenated blood is completely supplied to the gills, and after the purification again this oxygenated blood is not back to that one, the heart, directly to which one? The tissues. Tissues hogi matte aa tissues inda command which one? The veins are collecting that one, the blood, and that one is sent into that one, the which one? The heart only. Ee tara heart inda matte gills hogutte, gills nalli purify agutte, matte purification aamele matte it will be go to the body parts. Like that, only one time only circulation is occurs. Adike single circulation. Okay, second type of circulation what we can call? Incomplete double circulation. Incomplete double circulation we can observe in amphibians. Amphibians. Next one, reptiles. Correct? Amphibians, reptiles, and third one. Okay, ashte. This is about the amphibians and reptiles only, because how many chamber heart they have? 3 chamber heart. Yes, except which one? The crocodile. Okay, next to double circulation. Double circulation we can observe in crocodile. Crocodile we can completely give that one, the next one, the aves, means all birds, and last one mammals. Idರಲ್ಲಿ double circulation is occurs. Okay, so incomplete double circulation, just I can explain that one. You see, this is about the heart. How many chamber heart is present? Those are showing the incomplete double circulation. 3 chamber heart. Ee 3 chamber heart nalli command how many arteries, how many ventricle? Yes, 2 auricles and 1 ventricle only present. 2 auricles are there, 1 ventricle only present. These 2 are called auricles, and this one is called ventricle. Ventricle onde. Correct? Come on. In these 2 auricles, this is the right auricle, this is called left auricle. This is the one single ventricle. But who is collecting the deoxygen blood from the body parts? Right auricle. Correct? Right auricle nalli yavaglu deoxygen blood is there. This is about the deoxygen blood is completely present in the right auricle. Right auricle, they will collecting the deoxygenated blood, and you already know superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, it is completely open to the which one? The right auricle only. So now right auricle in the blood is entering to which one? The ventricle. What about left auricle? Left auricle is receiving the which blood from the lungs? Oxygenated blood from the lungs. Okay, now from the lungs they can receive that one. From the lungs, this is about the lungs abodu, gills abodu, skin abodu, ivella respiratory organs tane amphibians nalli. Okay, so they are collecting the which blood? Come on, they are collecting the which blood? Oxygenated blood, and they are completely sent into which atrium? Left atrium. Correct? Okay, now here oxygenated blood, here deoxygenated blood, both are completely mixing takes place in the which ventricle? Single ventricle. Iday mixed blood, it will be go to that one. Iday mixed blood, it will be go to that one. The which one? The lungs hogutte, plus lungs hogutte, plus body parts agutte hogutara, like this. It will be completely go to that one, the body parts also, like this. Okay, mixed blood, it will be translocated to lungs. Iday mixed blood is also translocated to the which one? The body parts. This is called the mass body parts. Are you observing, students? Here also mixed blood transferred to the lungs. ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್, ವೈ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್? ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 times ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಸಿ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್? ಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಮಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ. ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ಬಟ್ 2 types ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಪಲ್ಮನರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಕ್. Pulmonary circulation occur between heart to lungs and lungs to heart. Systemic circulation occur between heart to body parts to hearts. There are 2 times circulation is occurs. So it is a double circulation, but it is not complete double circulation. It is called which one? Incomplete double circulation because of the single ventricle. Because of the single ventricle, it is not complete circulation. It is a incomplete double circulation. We can observe in the 3-chambered heart animals. Which one is the 3-chambered heart animals? Means that is called crocodiles, amphibians and reptiles. Reptiles nalli except crocodile, all reptilians are having 3-chambered and all amphibians also having 3-chambered heart. Artha aita students? Diagram. Again, next one, last one, double circulation or double circulation meaning. What is the meaning of double circulation? 2 proper circulations are there. Speak out what are the 2 proper circulation? Pulmonary and systemic. Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation is occurs. Same that diagram also. Very rough diagram I am drawing. Same. Here 4-chamber heart is there. Perfect 4-chamber heart is there. If 4-chamber heart ge come on, who will bring that one? The deoxygen blade. Yes, okay now Vinakava is bring that one the deoxygen blade like this. Okay now blood itara move agutte. So to that one the which atrium? This one right atrium ge yes okay now deoxygen blade hogutte. Next one deoxygen blade is enter into the which one? The right ventricle. Right ventricle in the deoxygen blade it will be passes to which one? Lungs hogutte like this. Artha aita? Okay now they are completely moved to that one the lungs. This is about the lungs. Come on, lungs nalli purification of the blood is takes place. Next, our purified blood is completely collected by which one? Veins. Which veins are collecting? Which veins are collecting the oxygenated blood? Pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins are collecting the oxygen blood and they are open into the which atrium? The left atrium. Left atrium in the oxygenated blood. Elige enter agutappa? Left ventricle ge enter agutte. Left ventricle ge enter agta takshana left ventricle inda come on the blood will be enter into which one? Left ventricle inda blood is enter into which one? That is called aorta anta karitivalla aorta. Aorta ne they can transport that one the blood to the blood body parts. Artha aita students? This is about totally body parts. Okay, so illi blood it will be moving like this. But here blood is moving like this. Any mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is takes place here? No mixing. Perfect is occurs. Adhikara perfect. Which circulation? What is the name of the circulation? Pulmonary circulation. What is the name of the circulation? Systemic circulation. Properly occurs. So adhike it is called which one? Double circulation or complete double circulation. Got the clarity students? 3 diagrams ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ. 3 diagrams. This is about which one? The single circulation diagram. This is incomplete double circulation. This is complete double circulation. Okay, so incomplete double circulation ಅಲ್ಲಿ see mixed blood it will go to the lungs, mixed blood goes to the okay mixed blood it will be transferred to body parts also.